seen a slight decrease in our area of the number of classes we're running because we've run so many of them at the request of the area fire departments. We also started some technician training. We have a class that was an Introduction to Hybrid Electric Vehicles course. We designed that in the spring of 2009, did our first offering in June of 2009, and rapidly found out as we took more training that we needed to significantly modify that within the first year to get a lot more in depth than what our first year was. So by 2010, that did not look anything like our 2009 class. We started expanding those offerings in the spring of 2011. We actually were fortunate enough to receive a grant from the Economic Development Administration that allowed us to acquire some more time and equipment to be able to focus additional training. The training that we did on that grant was actually more focused on retraining experienced technicians because, as Mark said, we do not have a legacy knowledge that we can transfer over to this. So the techs, even though they've been turning a wrench for 20 years working on cars on a daily basis, are nowhere near equipped to work on these vehicles. So we almost have to go back to basic electrical 101 all over again with these experienced techs and start from the ground up with some more in-depth electrical knowledge than what they may have had when they went to school 20 years ago, and build them back up electrically so that then we can prepare them to attend the more advanced hybrid training classes. We are also adding a hybrid-specific class to our program in the fall of 2012. It is something that's been debated within our industry. We have NATEF and ASE standards. ASE is Automotive Service Excellence. They have decided, at least at this point, to not offer a certification specific to hybrid electric vehicles. They instead chose to blend a little bit here and there in all of the different 8 core areas of our certifications. NATEF is the educational arm of ASE, so they are doing the same thing. We don't personally feel that that is adequate because blending a little bit here and there does not give the students